Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Fomo app freezing or lagging, especially when the market is volatile and trading coins are moving fast? Here's the fix. This kind of lag is confirmed pattern users report during the high traffic period since the app is pulling live data for thousands of users at once. First, close every other apps in your recent app list since background apps compete for the same memory and network bandwidth the live feed needs. Go to your settings and then go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off for 30 seconds. Then after 30 seconds, turn it back on to refresh your connection since a stronger, fresher connection handles rapid live updates far more smoothly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings or from your control center or vice versa since one network may simply handle real-time data better than the other for you. Force close the Fomo app completely and reopen it on your best available network or connection. If lag continues, especially during high volatility windows, that's largely expected given how much live data is being pushed at once, and it typically clears once traffic settles down. So all you gotta do is close background apps, refresh your connection, try switching networks, and force close and reopen. The app runs smoother during busy periods, and that's it. Subscribe.